guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another every other day vlog. Hey! Martin went to General Luna to do some errands because we are leaving the day after tomorrow. I'm doing online shopping. It's been 3 months since the start of lockdown and I haven't bought anything online, which is an achievement. I realized that Martin and I, we are not very materialistic person. Doing things such as swimming, island hopping, going to the beach are the things that makes us happy, especially eating. By the way, as you can tell, I'm getting chubbier and chubbier every month. And no, I am not pregnant yet, huh? Buying some Amazon things, only the things that I need. One of them are muscle pain patches. Pain relief patches, I mean. I can't afford to do massage right now. This is what it This is what my back looks like. Martin just put me some before he left. This is the brand that I absolutely love. This is from Japan. Maybe I should try this. It's a little bit expensive. It's 200 pesos, but add it to cart. Oh, what's that? Sure. Okay, so this is my cart. Okay, so first off is the heat therapy patches. I want to try those eye masks and a sunscreen. I'm getting 3 different face masks, lip balm, and this is the only thing that Martin wants us to buy. Actually, that's the only thing that we need to buy on Amazon. That is why I'm online shopping. But you know, sometimes you think about things that, oh, I actually need face mask, and that is very important. Skincare is life. I don't buy luxury items. I indulge myself in buying skincare products, investing on my face so that I won't get old right away. So today is going to be a chill day. We were supposed to do island hopping to Corregidor Island. There's a storm coming. That is why it's pretty gloomy and it's been raining since yesterday. The rain just stopped this morning. So I'm being productive by packing some of our stuff. I want to apologize if our place is super messy right now. It's just that Martin and I haven't been at home. I managed to pack some of the things for our pantry. Home service massage by Avelovinit. I need to do some errands. Like, my sister is asking for a favor because she wants to enroll herself in a pre-med tutorial class. So I needed to pay for that. I still have leftovers from this morning. She is cooking. I don't like food to go to waste, so I am about to publish my sister's vlog. Since I haven't been posting videos in my second channel, I decided to make it a sibling Lovinits vlog. Hello! Oh my god, I look like Wednesday Addams Asian version. What have I done today? As soon as I woke up, I edited a vlog, published a vlog in the Tagalog channel, talked to clients, answered some emails, cooked breakfast, cooked lunch, posted on TikTok, posted on Instagram, posted on Facebook. So I guess it's a pretty productive day anyway. I always think that I'm lazy, but when I think about it, wow, girl, after hours and hours of waiting, I can finally get to packing. If you're new to this channel, I am a full-time travel vlogger and I'm currently in Siargao with my lovely fiance. We only have 1 suitcase and we've been traveling around the Philippines since January 1st. We got engaged on January 5th and we chose to get locked down here as soon as we found out that the whole Philippines is getting locked down. Martin also just did the laundry. We do our laundry in General Luna. We had to bike for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna blab too much. Let's get to packing. Okay, so it's almost 6 p.m. and I'm almost done packing. This is where I put my underwears, bikinis. All of my clothes are in one place. This is Martin's stuff. Well, can't really see it, but it's there. So these are all of the like toiletries, medicines, bathroom stuff. Everything that we own is all in one suitcase. We really try to live a minimalistic life. We don't own that much stuff. Basically, everything that we need when it comes to vlogging goes to our backpacks. And the suitcase is toiletries and the clothes that we wear. That is why, if you notice, we keep on repeating the same clothes over and over again. And we are happy having that kind of life. We really don't need that much to be happy. We are here in a beautiful island. What else is to ask for? I don't know, but as you grow older, you kind of think about, okay, do I really want this? Do I have to have that? How many times will I use this? Okay, that's a reasonable price, but do I really want it? I'm getting hungry, so I think it's time to cook dinner. Gotta get down on Friday. I still have leftover meat from last night's dinner. One of my viewers suggested that I should chop a lot of onions in one time and put it in a container so that I don't have to chop every freaking time I cook. I've been doing that in culinary school, and when I was a chef, I don't know why I forgot about that. Leftover rice from yesterday and kimchi. Let's get cooking. Good morning. Today is June 15th and today we are going to check out of this Airbnb that we've been staying for 2.5 months. I didn't get to vlog that much yesterday because I was super busy editing, answering some emails, and then we had friends come over, so I cooked dinner, prepared everything, and this morning I'm gonna cook breakfast for everyone. It's frucos time! Frucos! Patatas huevos, chicken garlic rice. I used the leftover chicken from yesterday. Spam, bacon, and patatas huevos. Las pizza! Ay! Martin also made us some smoothies and coffee. Thank you. Let's eat. It's time to say goodbye to this place that we've been staying for 2.5 months. It's bittersweet, but now I think it's time to go. Goodbye. Thanks for all the memories. It has been a pleasure. Goodbye, bathroom. Goodbye, kitchen. Goodbye, dining room. Goodbye, couch. Goodbye, bedroom. All our bags are packed. Martin's going to drive the motorbike Blue to the north.
Yes.
I'll see you later, my love.
It's gonna be fun. We're really looking forward to the next month in the north. You know, get to know what it's like living in the real island life.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm really happy that they could bring all the stuff up.
Yeah.
And you guys be safe, and I'll see you soon.
Bye. Be safe when driving. It's raining, okay?
I have the big helmet and everything.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Punta Punta. You've been amazing.
Yeah.
Shit, 2.5 months.
I know.
What can we say though? We can really recommend it for others.
Yeah.
It's really special, and then if you get together a couple of friends and rent a big villa, you know, you really have a good space for your own. And Ave made a lot of different videos. If you didn't see the Airbnb villa tour, links up there.
Bye, love. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye
Bye. Wait.
bye.
Baliw. Finally, after 2 hours, we needed to stop at Dapa so that I can get some packages and money in LBC. So we finally arrived in our new home.
Welcome home.
Hello. I will be doing a separate house tour or Airbnb tour, so make sure to check it out. Martin, how was the drive?
It's alright. I had a small lunch stop in Pacifico.
Oh, really? Wow, you did a lot. So, how long have you been waiting for us?
Just 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
I just arrived. So
Oh, that's good.
Pretty good timing.
Yeah, baby Blue is
Dirty.
yeah. Thank you so much for watching the moving in vlog. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below which part of this vlog is your favorite. Subscribe to Martin if you haven't done that yet. And together, we are Marve.
Team Marve.
See you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.